When it comes to where a solar panel is made, you're gonna find that I'm not terribly picky about it. I've had my hands on all sorts of different panels over the years, whether they were made here in America or overseas. Most of these companies are making solar panels in the same way. What you wanna look for is a company that's been around for a long time, that looks like they will be around for a long time, and a company that carries a good, strong 25-year warranty minimum. Our goal as a company is to make sure that you're getting a quality product. We put a lot of time, a lot of energy in deciding who we want to work with and what products we're going to distribute across the country. And honestly, if we were putting cheap stuff out there that didn't work properly, we'd be getting callbacks, we'd be getting warranty claims. It wouldn't be good for my customers, it wouldn't be good for us as a company. If you're specifically looking for an American-made product, we've got a number of options for you. If you're looking for a lower cost option that's going to save you some money, but you don't want to sacrifice quality, we've got plenty of options there as well.